Now, some people wonder how hard is it to actually be an IT support specialist, if the job is going to be tough, if it's going to be demanding. And the short answer to me is no. And it depends on how good you are at problem solving. So, being an IT support specialist, help desk, you have to be really good at problem solving and doing this on the spot as well, because you're going to find a lot of issues that you never encountered before. No matter how much stuff you've done at home, no matter how much computers you fixed at home, you're gonna run into issues that you've never seen before. And some of those issues are going to be with software that you've never seen before. Some of them are going to be with legacy software, right? So with that being said, that's going to determine a lot of how difficult it is going to be for you. So if you're a person that likes solving issues in that way and being able to think on the spot and think on your feet, then you'll do a great job. I think the hardest part for you or for anyone will be the end users. And people are the weakest link in security. People are the ones messing up the world. People are the ones that you're going to always have issues with. In everything in this world, it seems like people are the number one factor in why things go wrong, right? So the human element in this scenario is going to be the toughest part to deal with. You're going to be dealing with people that they don't know how to speak to you. They want to speak down at you. They don't see you on the same level as them. They think that you are supposed to just do whatever they say and things of that nature. They're going to complain to your boss. They're going to ask you to do something, and they're going to email your boss complaining. It's just going to be kind of rough and annoying when you start dealing with the people. So the computer aspect and fixing the issues and these things are going to be the simplest part. Regardless of, even if it's something that you don't know how to fix and you have to do some research, it's still going to be easier than dealing with the people. And also you have to deal with these issues in a timely manner, right? So what that really means is you might be able to fix the issue if you take the whole day, but that person you're helping don't have the whole day. They probably have things that they have to do or turn in. Maybe the software that they're using it to turn in something that they need to turn in the next hour or 30 minutes. And the reason why they're calling you is because they're trying to turn in whatever they're trying to turn in, and they realize it's acting kind of funky, and they put a ticket in, and now you got to try to solve this issue for them within a certain period of time. And they're agitated, they're acting crazy. You're trying to think, with these people breathing down your neck. And, that can make it a very annoying thing. It can turn something that you love into something you just don't want to do, And I tell people this all the time, like a lot of times the most fun that you're going to have with IT support or computer or technology in general is going to be the times that you're doing it for yourself, because you could do it at home. You could take your time. If it takes you a day, 2 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, 2 months, it doesn't matter. You don't have no time frame or no one to please. So for me, guys, that's the hardest part, I would say. It's just dealing with people, trying to make everyone happy. And it doesn't matter how hard you work. It doesn't matter how much accomplishments you accomplish. A lot of times people are not going to recognize these accomplishments. No one's going to be like, whoa, you did a great job, this, and that. Most times, people only bring forth the bad things you do, So you might get your boss reach out to you about a complaint, and you're the top performer on the team. No one's recognizing your hard work, but now you getting a call and an email. Now you're getting pulled into a meeting and all this stuff for the bad stuff. And sometimes what they're pulling you in meetings for really don't even make no sense. Like the user just complaining for no reason. It's not like you're doing anything. They're just feeling entitled and they want to make an issue. So if you can get past that part and you learn to deal with that part, I guarantee you, if you're good at computers, you're good at solving issues, you love solving issues, you love staying on your toes, and you love learning, it's going to be easy. You're going to realize that in your whole career, the hardest part was the people that you was dealing with. Okay? The management teams, it's just kind of weird. Like for me, I love dealing with the computers. And the one thing I realize about myself is like, when I get a ticket or somebody come to me with an issue and I never seen it, researching and trying different things and stuff and finally figuring it out, I feel so good. Like, especially, like I said, especially when it's something new, it just feels good. Like I feel like I learned something, I feel like I just upped my level, and I always feel good right after. And I feel real good sharing the knowledge with other people too. I'll reach out to other guys. I'm like, hey, listen, if you encounter this issue, try this, So IT support is not that hard. If it was a job that you didn't have to deal with end users at all, it would be pretty simple for people that love computers. It'd be like one of the easiest jobs. But dealing with end users, obnoxious, weird people that want to throw their weight around and throw their title around, that's what makes the job harder. So if you're trying to get into IT, help desk, trust me, you'll get through it. If you, like I said, if you love fixing computers, you're a great problem solver, you have patience, it'll be pretty easy for you to deal with it. Just be prepared to deal with people and have good communication skills and people skills in a way where you can maneuver around certain situations, and trust me, you'll be good to go. If this video was helpful, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.